Okay, so I split the screen so that I can see the new and old price and quantity. So let me do this. So we have the new quantity is now 15. So the number of consumers decreases from 30 to 15. So the new quantity is 15. The old quantity was then 30. The new price is 12. The old price is 8. Okay. Next, we need to figure out the average. So P average is just going to be the average of 12 and 8. Okay, so it should be 12 plus 8 divided by 2. So 20 divided by 2 or 10. Sorry, I realize I'm a little bit out of frame here. Better. Okay. The Q average will be 30 plus 15 divided by 2. So that's going to be 22.5. Okay. And then we need to solve for elasticity of demand. So we have Q new minus Q old. Okay, that's going to be in parentheses divided by Q average. Okay, and that whole quantity is going to be in parentheses, right? Because we're going to do the numerator first and then the denominator. Okay, and this everything here is going to be divided by P. I don't know why I can't type today. P new minus P old divided by P average, and then close the second parentheses. Prefer it on one line. So we have E sub D is equal to, so our Q new is 30 minus 15, our Q old, divided by our Q average is 22.5. And that whole quantity is going to be divided by, so it would be 12 minus 8 divided by 10. Okay, and that whole thing, we'll need another parentheses. Okay, so I'm going to simplify this a little bit. 15 divided by 22.5 divided by 4 tenths. Okay. So then what I can do is I can do dividing by a number is the same as multiplying by its reciprocal. So we have 15 divided by 22.5 and then times 10 over 4, right? D equals 150 divided by 22.5 times 4. Okay. Equals 150 divided by 90, 15 ninths, or 1 and 6 ninths. You can take one more step further, 1 and 2/3, okay, or 5/3. Okay, sorry, a lot of simplification there. If you just plug this in your calculator from any of these steps, you know, as long as you have the parentheses right and you have the order of operations right, you'll get the same answer as me. I just did a couple extra steps to simplify because I didn't feel like pulling out a calculator. Okay. So 5/3 should be your answer right there. Okay.